Well, back they go. Back in the bag, and I'm going to send them back to the manufacturer, letting them know that maybe they sent me the wrong model for my drone, but so far it's definitely not good. Master Airscrew Endure long flight time propeller for the DJI Mavic 2. I have a DJI Mavic Pro 2 Zoom, so I thought that this will be a great upgrade for it. I selected the red color, that way I can see them very well while flying. So that's the box, that's how they arrive. Let's see how they look like and also what they include with those propellers. It's right now. In the box, we have a nice storage/transportation pouch with their logo on it. And here they are, the 4 propellers. You only have 4, they don't give you any spare one, so the price you paid are only for one set of 4 propellers. Now let's have a closer look. Here we go. That's the Airscrew propeller red. They feel a little bit more heavier than the original Mavic propeller, at 4 ounces for those red one and 3 ounces only for the original Mavic one. So you get 1 more ounce times 4 on your aircraft while using those propeller. So that's something to keep in mind. Otherwise, grabbing an original Mavic propeller and the same style here, we do have the white mark here, and here we have the 2 little white line over there. So that's side to side. We see the metallic rivet here on the top. We see nothing here on the Airscrew one. If I go like so, now we can see they have some rivet as well on the Airscrew one, and Mavic of course as well, although those rivets are slightly more bigger than the original Mavic one. The attachment seems to be the same attachment system, better be. And the propeller length, here we go. The Airscrew looks slightly longer. Let's compare one blade. There we go. It's actually slightly thicker than the original Mavic one, and slightly longer too, if I overlap them like so. So, a little bit bigger and a little bit heavier than the original Mavic propeller. You have to keep that in mind. Now let's install the Airscrew propeller on it. The white here with the white mark here, and the non-mark one with the non-mark propeller as usual. And here we go. And right away, I cannot install this one. Well, let's put it here for now. Let's try the black one here on this corner. Ah, that's interesting. The hole is too small. It does not fit here at all. I have some problem. I don't want to force it, so they damage the motor here. So I should not be able to force it, kind of. I'm not comfortable with that. So I leave that here. Start already good. All right, this one, let's try this one here. At least it goes without forcing. Let's see for the lock mechanism. Here we go. That's the first one I finally be able to install correctly without any effort. Now let's install this one here. Same issue. The hole seems to be too small. I don't know who engineered those, but definitely not good. So out of the 4 propeller, I only managed to install one very smoothly, very nicely, without any issue. I have some issue with the other one for some reason. And if you remember, guys, when you use the original propeller, they go in quick, clack, clack, 2 seconds, and they are installed. So That's not starting to look good for those master Airscrew propeller. Well, back they go, back in the bag, and I'm going to send them back to the manufacturer, letting them know that maybe they sent me the wrong model for my drone, but so far it's definitely not good. I don't feel comfortable flying with my drone with the propeller that you have to force on and stuff like that to make them work, so return to the manufacturer.